flood warning in effect until 2:45 p.m. this afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? The following counties in central Ohio: Fairfield, Hump, and Pickaway. When? Until 2:45 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations imminent work. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details at 11:56 a.m. Emergency management reported flooding in Target with high water also reported in Circleville. High water is also likely to linger in Southville and Amanda. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rainfall. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Circleville, Down Village, Amanda, Southville, Laurelville, Sugar Grove, Tarleton, Buena Vista in the Hocking County, Clearport, Whistler, the West Marion State Park, Rockbridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect until early Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Hocking River at Enterprise. When? Until early Wednesday morning. Impacts: at 12.5 feet, flooding extends well into the floodplain along the river. Flood waters extend to near the skirting of a couple of homes along the river in Rockbridge and closes Voris Road, Roldy Road, and Duplin Road. Additional details: at noon Tuesday the stage was 11.4 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 12.5 feet late this afternoon. It will...
One second, I gotta turn this backlight on because I like the backlight.
Flood stage is 12 feet.
Well, I did all that for nothing.
Now here is the...